Okay, so where do you see XRP going over this next year? So between now and when the Bitcoin market probably is going to top out around sort of the September, October time later this year. Right now for XRP, there's a lot of good stuff going on. So we've got this here. This is the Wisdom Tree XRP fund. They're basically filing to get a fund in place that they want to get turned into an ETF eventually. Same here, we've got the CoinShares XRP ETF as well, and here we've got the Bitwise XRP ETF and the Canary XRP ETF. And if you come here to the SEC filings, and this is the SEC, right? Yep. And you have a look for XRP, you can see a whole bunch more. So we've also got here the Grayscale one, the Arrington XRP Capital Fund. Okay, so there's lots of stuff going on with XRP. All right, so that's some of the fundamentals of XRP. We've also got, the whole court case going on with the SEC, which is now sort of coming to an end. And I think with Trump in the White House, you're going to see sort of an end to all of those SEC troubles which the crypto market is having overall. So I think XRP is definitely fundamentally looking like it's going to go really, really well over the next few months. And then also we're going to be taking a look in a minute at the technical analysis behind it. And you're going to see there, now I'm more of a technical type guy. So when we have a look at that, you'll see why I've picked these figures. So this is the XRP Price Prediction. So this is based on if you invested £2,000 today, that's going to be about $2.33. Might be a bit different by the time you're watching this. And we're looking for the chance of a new all-time high between now and October 2025. So it's still quite a long way to go. And of this, I'm 85% certain. I think the likelihood of it is about 85% because of some of those fundamental things that we just spoke about. So $11.54. Pretty high, I know, right? I mean, who would have thought a few years ago you'd even see $10 XRP? But I think the last few months has proven that it can be pretty volatile, and a sudden move due to not enough liquidity in the market. Very likely with XRP because it does just go flat for so long and then suddenly spikes up. So we could see it then go to 11.54, and you could be cashing out there just under $10,000, which would be enough to buy a nice second-hand car. Not bad for a $2,000 investment. However, there is also a chance that about a 12% chance, in my personal opinion, of a move to $45, and that's going to leave you with enough for a brand new car, a very good brand new car of $39,000. Okay, pretty big, wild predictions, I know, and this is why. So if we come here, this is the sort of recent dip back down to the 120-day moving average, which is the yellow line that you see right there on my chart. And if we scroll down, we're going to see that this is the Fibonacci retracement level. And if we take it all the way to the top here of the green, you can see we're topping out there around the sort of $11 mark, which I mentioned earlier. So that's going to be about an 800% gain at that point. Now, is that likely? So if we go back in time to have a look at XRP and what it's done in the past, we can see right here we had a bullish phase, a drop back down to the 180-day moving average before a big spike up, which topped out about here halfway through that green part right there. Back here, similar sort of thing again. So this is in 2021. So it came up, it went back down, moved back down to the 120-day moving average, and then pumped all the way up again into that green zone. So right now you may be thinking, well, maybe it's just not going to go all the way to the top of the green zone, $11. Maybe it'll just go to $9. Quite possibly. Okay, so again, we've got a drop back down here to the 120-day moving average, and then up again to about halfway up through the green line. However, if we do come all the way back to where we were back in my favorite year, which was 2018, so 2017, 2018 bull run, it was amazing. And this is the green bit here. So you can see the market went absolutely insane. So this is the green. This is where we would normally be going in here. Okay, halfway up the green. However, this one went all the way up here on the Fibonacci. So I think you've guessed it. If we brought that back to today, and we've got our move from the top here all the way back down to the 120-day moving average, and then we're going to have to do some changes here to the Fibonacci level to see just where this is going to go. Okay, so you can just click on it there, go into settings, and I've put it down here. So this is on 28 on the Fibonacci, which is absolutely massive, by the way. And if we can just scroll this back down, you're going to see that it's actually a move upwards of around about 3,500%. So 3,500% gain. It's going to take you up to about $45 per XRP. It has done it in the past, and I'm not basing this because it's done it in the past. I'm basing it because of the likelihood with the SEC and what's going on there, with the fact that the court case is going under, all of the ETFs which are coming out, and of course Trump's new pro-crypto stance there in the US. So when you've got all of that combined, I don't think there's any other coin which has been held back quite as much as XRP. So I think it has probably the most potential to explode over the next year. And it does have this illiquidity issue where there's not a lot of liquidity upwards of the market. Nobody thinks it's going to go above $10. So as soon as it does go above $10, there's basically like no sell orders in above that price, right? So there's not a lot of sell orders. So the price is just going to explode from that point forward. In fact, I think even going up from sort of 3 to 10 is also going to be pretty quick as well because of not a lot of sell orders in there. So I think there's very good potential to make extremely good gains on XRP. Do let me know in the comments down below, if you think there's any other coins that also have the potential to do as good, and whether or not you think that this prediction is complete nonsense. And just tell me your prediction, where you think XRP is going, so that all of us, not just me, but everybody else here as well, can get a good sort of understanding of where the market is on the expectations for XRP over the next few months. Okay, that's it for now. I'm going to go in the aircon, I think, and chill out a bit. All right, see you again in the next video.